What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to top up Revolut Virtual Card, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So guys, what is topping up? So basically adding money like to your prepaid card or whatsoever, but you can top up your Revolut virtual card by adding money to it. How to do it? Well, basically open the Revolut app and sign into your account and navigate to the accounts or wallet section. It's based on whether or not you updated or not your app. Then what you need to do is select the virtual card you want to top up, and when you enter that card, tap on the add money or top up option, choose the funding source such as your linked bank cards or another cards or another Revolut accounts. Choose the funding source and then enter the amount you want to add to that virtual card. Follow any additional prompts to complete the transaction, such as entering some infos, and then make sure your funding source has sufficient funds and that you are using a payment method accepted by Revolut. So overall guys, quite an easy process. All you need to do, as I told you, go to the accounts or the wallet option, select the virtual card you want to top up and tap on the add money and choose the funding source, enter all of the needed infos and complete the transfer in full. So overall, that would be it on this process. As I mentioned earlier, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. That's it guys, thank you so much for watching and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.